Hello dosto, welcome back to the teaching. So in this video we are going to learn how to change the eye color using the Photoshop. Okay, don't waste the time, let's get started. So here I have one raw image. Okay, so in this image you can see, so first you have to increase the light, increase the brightness of your eye, so then you have to change the color. So for brightness this eye, you can check the eye button here and you can check the description, you'll get the link. I have already demonstrated of this video how to increase the light of your eye using the Photoshop. Okay, so get started. All right, so here I have one image. Okay, first you have to increase the light. Let me do it quickly. So I have to clear one new layer, so I have to go to the adjustment. Okay, here you have to select the brightness. Okay, just increase the brightness as much as possible, like I have increased, this is the 50%. Okay, just change the mask, the white to black, just control and I, it will be changed white to black. Okay, then go to the mask. Okay, you have to toggle between these two colors. Just click the X button, just click the X button in your keyboard, so it will be toggle between these two colors. Okay, let me select the white here, just select the mask area. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, right, so you have to select the brush tool and paint over the eye, which area you have to increase the light. Okay, so in this image I have to increase the area, I have to increase the brightness of this area, so let me do it quickly. Yeah, fine. All right, just move to the next eye. Here I have increased the light. All right, okay, just go back here, just remove this layer one. As of now this is not required. Okay, now this is apply in your image. Okay, just decrease the brightness, just go to the opacity, just select this layer, go to the opacity, and you can play with this opacity. Okay, let me do it quickly. Here I have selected the 68%, that's not enough, I have to decrease more, that will be 58%, that's fine. Okay, just check over here. So this is the before and this is the after, right? Okay, so next what you have to do, just go to the adjustment layer. You can see over here hue and saturation. All right, you have to click this one. Okay, then the saturation properties will be open. So what you have to do, you have to play with the color. So which color you have to apply in your eye, just click this color and go to the saturation eye and play with the hue, and the brightness you have to decrease or increase based on your requirement. Okay, so let me do it here. Okay, you have to change this eye color. It's something, don't bother about this part. This face part is looking like some other area, right? It's looking like alien. Okay, don't bother about this thing. Just okay, make it somewhat blue. Yeah, this is fine for me. Just I have to increase the saturation here. Yeah, this is right. Brightness we have to increase more. Okay, fine, just hit enter. Okay, now this is our image, right? So you have to do what you have to do here, you have to remove the color of this over here, the face, and you have to apply with your eye, right? So from there what you have to do, okay, what I have to do before that, you have to merge this brightness color with your image. So let me select this brightness, let me select this raw image, just do it, or just control and E, it will be merged. Okay, so what you can do, you can select this two layer and you can right click and merge it, or shortcut if you are using window, then you can use control and E, that will be merge your two layer. If you are using command, if you are using MacBook, so you can use command and E. Okay, it will be merge the two layers. Okay, so brightness part I have already merged, so I have to apply this color in my eye. Okay, just let me zoom in. Okay, so this is the before, this is the after. So I have to select this mask area, control and I, it will be change the masking. So let me select this mask area, just to do it toggling between these two colors, just click the X. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, so I have to select the brush tool. Here you have to select the white, just you have to paint over this eye. Okay, so you have to paint over this eye, but in that like brighter area, don't put in the darker side, because that color will be not reflecting more. Okay, let me zoom in. Let me close this brush tool. Okay, you have to paint here. Okay, you can see. Just let me go to the other eye. Okay, you have to paint over here. Just little bit you have to paint for the other area as well. Okay, nice. All right, just zoom in. Yeah, so what you have to do, then go to the layer panel. So you have to select your layer and just play with your opacity. I have to give this opacity as a 40 to 50%. That will be fine for this image. Okay, I'll keep it the 47. Nice. So see, this is the before and this is the after. Just let me zoom out. This is the before and this is the after. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please like and share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please hit the bell icon. Thank you.